Thursday, February 5th, and Dad and Aidan had this purring like a kitten yesterday. Dad told me last night that they still had a little bit of work to do here. Customer's already over budget, so we got to work out a deal with them because we got to continue on to get this working. Dad doesn't want to see it go out of the shop without it working, so we'll check in with the guys here and find out what's going on. So they're just putting on the air breather and tightening things up here.
Air breather, new filter, and a choke on this side.
Oh, choke too. Okay, good.
Just show them how the choke works.
Alright, this took a lot of R&D.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
Come over here. You lift the throttle a little bit.
this is how you run it with one guy.
Oh,
Lift
okay.
the throttle up a bit,
Yeah.
and it'll clear the choke.
Okay.
That's no choke. That's choke in.
Okay.
Now you do that. Now you can go and start it.
Okay. You better go through this with those guys when they come here.
Well, I told him what we should do is the same thing with ducks.
Yeah.
Put like an instruction guide.
Is this off now?
Okay.
That's off. Put,
Okay.
You know, check oil and coolant before starting. Full
Yeah.
choke, disconnect fan.
They'll never read that. Too many words.
No. So we have to cut all these protruding bolts off. Yes.
Yeah.
And I don't like the way that wire is going to the starter, so we're
Okay.
going to change that and then tie it up.
Okay.
And we took this stuff off.
Wasn't one of these rotten?
Yeah,
One of these doors?
yeah. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Well, look, this is how soft it is. You can bend it with your finger.
Okay.
So I got a new one, and I got
Oh, okay.
the hole down.
I think we got a couple of these in stock, unless you're using these ones.
Yeah, we got one in stock now.
Okay.
Using this one, and that door on that side, I think.
Oh yeah, we did the exhaust too.
Hey?
The exhaust.
Oh, right. Okay. I'll,
Look on this side, Ron. See it?
oh, can't see it from here. Exhaust cover. There you go, protruding out very nicely. You want to make sure the exhaust goes out of the cab so you don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. So,
Makes the ride more enjoyable.
well, yeah, makes the day just fly by, right? Okay, so these guys are gonna tinker around with a few other things tomorrow, but should be ready for a pickup for the weekend. I gotta hit the road, guys. I got a conference in Winnipeg, so I might not even be here for when this leaves the shop. Gonna show me something else here.
See how these seats were going.
Yeah, well, I noticed it's reinforced now, so they're not
Reinforced there.
good.
Both of them.
Good. They weren't attached before. So all this is going back inside once everything's running. Probably take it out for a run tomorrow, find out what's going on, see if there's any other little hiccups, and just a quick tour around the yard. Told Dad about the track here, so he's going to look at that before they go too far. And then, yeah, night and day, still the same machine, still a lot of work to do, but it's running, and that's the main thing. Still got to put in the fuel tank, that's got to get cleaned up. Then they're going to clean up all the parts and wire and everything else around here to get it ready so that we can either work on this machine over here or pull in the narrow gauge. Likely do the narrow gauge, but Dad's going to go take a look at it again, see if it's even worthwhile for him to attempt. But yeah, Dad and Aidan work really well together. Lucky that we have Aidan. Say that all the time. And so that'll be it for today. And my kids are having their end of day treats. Nina Pinta Santa Maria is going into her doghouse. And Charles is having his second yummy. And Filipino Emily is on her second yummy. Everybody's got their chicken strips and marrow bones and yummies. And the little dog got her deer treats. Pretty much full straight deer treats with the little dog. Just a shivering. It's his fourth chicken strip, but gotta have them. Look at our Charlie. He's so peppy today. Just loves Emily, and Emily just loves Charlie. Oh, we're lucky.